Hey guys, Rich Bassini, YouTube vlogging creator here. Today I want to talk to you guys about how to edit your YouTube videos on your iPhone. And if you're an iPhone lover like me, that's what I use to do my YouTube shorts. And when I'm out and about on the road, whatever, or if I'm just at a place I want to just start videotaping, I use my iPhone here. Now, if you guys could stick around to the end, I'm going to show you how to make that iPhone shoot at 4K at 60 frames per second. So that's coming at the end of the video. It's going to be really short. So without further ado, let me minimize my screen here. And I'm going to drop the link to this here. Okay, this is from the Creator Handbook. Okay, that's the website. It's creatorhandbook.net. If you guys are like me and you love your iPhone, like I said, this is the iPhone 8 I have. I also have over here one of my first phones I used to start doing my videos was the iPhone 5S. I still have it to this day. I still make videos with it. It's a great phone and I love it and I'm keeping it. You know, I was going to sell it and I said, no, I'm going to have it as a backup just in case something happens with the other one, right? I know people might say, get with the program, get the newest phone they got now, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I looked into it. I don't feel like spending over $1,000 for it. So unless it comes down in price really dramatically, I mean cheap, because I consider myself a frugal entrepreneur, I won't be buying that phone anytime soon. And let me tell you something else before we get into this here. My iPhone 8, I think personally, shoots great pictures, great videos, takes great snapshots. But that's me. I mean, some of you out there may bake it different, but that's okay. You know, everybody's got an opinion, everybody's got choices and stuff. But for me, I use this here to do my videos, and I love it. I love it. But anyway, I will drop this link to so you guys can read up more on it, and you can see the title over here, how to edit YouTube videos on your iPhone. And I'm just going to scroll down. Okay, I'm going to just scroll down over here, and you guys can either two things. You could either pause the video, right, as I'm scrolling down, or you can, you know, just go to the website. That's totally up to you. But you can see over here, step one, shooting your start shooting video on your iPhone. You could read about that. I don't have an Apple laptop. I have all HP equipment here for my computers, you know, so I don't really do anything with iMovie. But I just wanted to bring this to your attention, okay? As you can see here, it says pick an app for your video editing, and they're talking again about the Apple iMovie, all right? It's supposed to be pretty good. I understand. Like I said, I don't have a Mac computer at all. Everything I have is all HP equipment, okay? But again, you know, I'm hoping this information will help you guys out, especially if you're, you know, you want to make videos with your iPhone. Most of you may already know this here, you know, but I just thought I'd throw it out there. I love sharing information, guys. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, I just want to say welcome. And I do hope you guys get takeaways from the videos I put out. Now, this is the ending of it right here. And I always say this here, well, not always, but when it comes to talking about creating videos, I tell people, this one here is saying share your work with the rest of the world. Absolutely, absolutely. I can't express that enough. You know, there are a lot of people out there that have hidden talents and they just don't put it out there. I don't know why. They should. They can share, you know, share it with people. I know like I said, I love to watch videos where I can learn some do-it-yourself videos, how-tos, whatever. And you know, you may be thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you're not sure which way to go. Like I said, you got if you want to get into a niche, that's a niche channel. That's fine. You know, that's basically talking about a particular item. I always like to use the, every time I do get on that topic, I always talk about the Sony DSLR cameras because I love Sony. That's my electronic product, and the other one is Panasonic. But if I had to do a niche channel, you know, let's say about that there would be Sony, and that would be great. I mean, you know, to start a channel like that. But that's basically what you'll be talking about if you have a niche channel. You know, niches could probably also vary off too. You could talk a little about other things outside that one particular topic. And then again, you could also be a vlogger. You know, there's nothing wrong with being a vlogger if you're not sure what that is. To me, a vlogger is a person who just talks about everyday life. You know, you might want to share your everyday life with people. You know, keep it on a personal level, not too personal, of course. But that's another way to start a YouTube channel. But we all have talents and passions. And a lot of us, we don't share them because, you know, some people just bottled up. But you could, if you're a person that has something that you could share with people, folks, there are people out there that love learning. And if you're a person that has a talent, whatever, or a passion, let's say you're a person that knows how to paint. You know, you do landscape painting, like, you know, in your house or whatever. You could teach people how to paint. You know, who knows? You could be like the next Bob Ross, or if you're a carpenter, you could teach people how to build things and stuff. The list goes on and on. I don't need to get into that there, but you guys will figure it out on your own. But I will say this: if you are going to start a YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck, the best success. Go out there and share those videos. People will watch them. I know they will because they're watching mine. All right. Okay. Now, don't go anywhere just yet because I'm going to show you. It's really easy. I got my phone set up for screen sharing over here. Let me just move my iPhone 5S there. And I have my phone set up for screen sharing. So let's go there right now. Don't worry about this stuff. Like I said earlier, you'll get the link to this here. So let's go over here. And it should be right over here. Okay, here I am. All right. This is, you can see this is an active screen share here. Okay. What you're going to do is, this is really cut and dry. You can play the video back again if you don't know how to do it. But let's go to your settings. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down. You're going to keep scrolling down until you get to where it says camera. It should be coming up soon here. There it is. You're going to click that on. And here is where you're going to change the recording format. Now, they give you options. You could go, I'm going to move my mouse cursor up here, 720 HD, 1080p, right? Then you got 4K at 24 frames, 4K at 30 frames, and then you got 4K at 60 frames per second. That's what my phone is set right now. You can see the check arrow there. Really simple. Once you check it, check it there, just back out of it, just back out of the screen, and that's it. And you're basically you're done. That's it. That's how simplified it is to, adjust your camera to to shoot at 4K at 60 frames per second. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you go. If you like this video, or if you like any of my other videos, you check them out. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and if you want to be updated as to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Pacini signing off. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye for now.